Mon fait, 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 mon fait. Me, I wanna shoot my shot. Girl so sexy, I never see. My baby, my choice. Me, I wanna use you daily. Say she done miss me lately. Baby, come back. Make you come out. See my trust start. Mon fait, now you know the money don't it come. When you want the money, call on you. Call on you. I know my baby don't it come, so I come up for cannabis. Cannabis party, make I tell you something. Cause I make go popping. Oh, now she be taking on my dick, non stopping. Kilo better. It's all about the mo fait. We pop every day, kilo busy, no they tired. When she see me coming, mo fait. Check my season, I'm shining diamond. It's all about the mo fait. We pop every day, kilo busy, no they tired. When she see me coming, mo fait. Check my season, I'm shining diamond. Kilo, mo fait, 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 mo fait. I'm going to be showing you guys how to sound like Mavo on BANDLAB. I made 3 presets. The links to the presets are in the description. I know you might be planning on using the link without watching the video, but I promise you, once you get in BANDLAB and start using that preset, it's going to sound like chill. Let me break it down for you, show you how it should be used. Now let's take a look at these first 2 vocals. These are the main vocals and this is what they sound like. Mon fait, mon fait. Me, I wanna shoot my shot. Girl so sexy, I never see. I use the same presets for this, but the only difference is that it's pan to the right side of the ear. And by the way, when you're panning side of the ear, don't go all in. Like, try to go at least 75 or like 80, you know, within that space. If you go all in, it might just sound bad. This is what this sounds like. Can you hear it at the right side of your ear? This ad-lib is the first ad-lib. It's kind of like the main ad-lib. And guys, I added something to this preset. I added a chorus, and what this does is now you know Mavo first 2 EPs, Ukanibe and Sanku, they had this like dreamy effect, spacey dreamy effect. So if you are going for that kind of vibe, you turn this off, you turn this on. But if you're not going for that kind of vibe, you turn it off. Like for this song, this Mofe, it doesn't have this chorus, so we're going to turn it off. I just added it there so y'all can have what you need to create that, you know, Mavo kind of vibe. And now these 2 vocals are, these 2 tracks are like the same presets. This is the 3rd preset, and the reason why it's different is the only thing that makes this track different from the main vocals is the EQ. And by the way, I panned it to the right, and the other track I panned it to the left. So if you listen to Mavo's song like very well, you hear those kind of vibe there. Another thing to keep in mind when you're making your song, like try turning your beats down. If you listen to Mavo's song, you will hear those like layering that has high pitch, and it just sounds very unique. That's what I tried doing here. So you will hear it a lot. This part too. Okay, here too. So what I did was I did not want to add extra main vocals and then turn the volume down manually from here. So I just recorded it on top, the main vocals, because they are the same thing. The preset is quite same, and the only thing I did was the gain. I turned the gain down, did it for everything. Here too, everything, the gain is down a little. Just use your ears and make sure say, okay, this one is sounding okay, it's sounding fine. Guys, let me know which artists you want me to do next. The presets are completely free. You just have to subscribe to get them. I mean, let's be honest, it's really a small price to pay for the source. And guys, remember to be creative. Peace out.